Yeah, life no be play, yo. One drink, one smile, everything change, yeah. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same joke, small I play. After work, chilling music, low, low. Laughter loud, but my heart, no, no. She say you're nice, she say you're cool. I read the signs, I break the rules. One night turn to heavy talk. Next thing siren, blue lights light. From party to sell, no time to explain. My name turn headline, washing with shame. Same girl with a vibe, now she dey point. My truth heavy, but the world there. No evidence, but they lock me down. One word from her, my life turn around. Dance floor beat, but my soul they cry. Freedom sweet till you taste that life. No evidence to them judge my face. From suit and tie to
on you low, one shot high, on you low, one shot high, one shot high. On uniform, one shot of throw, on uniform, one shot of throw. On you low, on you low, on you low, on you low, on you low. Where the mad you? Oban bit me, I say. Oban bit me, I say.
Send me yes, you be more.
Debio, more on the own team too. Ade, Debbie, hey, no more. Aha. One bit from Tazi about 10 million. Hey, with the cross 3 million. As the same quality.
I can't Mazako 7 million.
I 7 million. Because I want to go inside.
I don't know, we're more almost almost a Ghana.
Uti. A 1 year inside, that's all. Yes, I'm so easy anyway, you know. And the light in the same.
I'm there. Mama
2 million. 2 dear now, Henry. Oh, into on Yabro home to now 2 dear. So, or in any boarding, with the more 2 hour book, be brave.
What I find is a mamma faka.
I think I will come on a who inside on our and that's a 10 million franc.
And I said, Million said
Oye, what do you name? Yeah, my last I'm 35 months.
Oh, that's media. Now, do you 10 million? What I got?
I find the 25 as a baby. The price look at
I got who day.
Aye. So, my million to oin it. You met me. I have one on
Mamma check a color.
That's how I do, you know. So, a back row, best as I do. Or because of brownie doom.
When I try, I'm fry.
I'm a fry colors. The way ground, Sakala with a one day. Different colors. Nina, but Sakala wouldn't be.
I tell you, birthday.
So we'll say a color.
It's my birthday.
Oh, hair color.
And young wine.
And one color. It's one. Why?
Sorry.
Your first say, kick. A froggy. If you saw one, now we used to have a body quite heavy. No, a cake can make a chip. Kenya. Kenya. Oh, okay, Lord Kenya.
Lord,
okay. What a fabric.
Oh my goodness.
Why not?
I told you love me. So I'm on all the girls in this company. You couldn't set eye on any of them aside me.
I set my eyes on the most beautiful flower I've ever seen.
No, cut it.
And listen, I'm ready to water this flower.
It's okay, Atu. You are funny. For today, I'm going to take it cool. I'm going to play along. That's why I allowed you, wasted my time on you to listen to all this trash from your mouth.
So you don't say this.
Ato, what am I saying? Me also force now. Ato, am I your class?
Cindy.
The category of girls you do talk to or you do approach, am I part of them? Do I look like them? And you think I will stoop so low to be with a man like you? Sorry, bro. I'm not interested.
Yeah. be play. One drink, one smile, everything change, yeah. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same jokes, small I play. After work, chilling music, low. Laughter loud, but my heart no. She say you're nice, she say you're cool. I read the signs, I break the rules.
Fine. Baby, hey, the answer, move it down.
Me kukuna mu atare na me se
Wakota tare abrem me. Anya bia maka se me nya ntare nhya na. Debi unim the kind of ntare a me hye. Kenya. Efie ha for mu kasa o. Enye mo bi mbe kasa me mpena me.
Se bi me nko hye o de. Abonti ni ejina ye.
Maka se mbe fie he bio. Na wo de bia na me nhwa de point wo.
Broni.
Na se ukoto tu si di atare bi na odi bra me wa ha say ya.
Odo broni me da.
Kenya ye ntem na me ko baby. Ada atare no ntimi mbia ntra me ana.
Allahu akbar.
Kenya, don't joke with me. Kenya. My goodness.
Hey boy hobe.
Kenya da bi ube so me aha na ase dey.
Boy hobe bre papa.
Hey, enya nyame anka se ne mazam apempem aha no.
Mama ko ta atade mu. O boy bi zam na me to e. Se me to o adane ada flower top na ye no mazi fo
atare na wo ato no. Ade we hu atare. Ukra me entertain pie kwe. Hey! Enya nyame pa na kama kuma nka se ne mehwibo yasum left and right. What type of girl ni me? What class ni me? Okofa ntuma baby ame ko ne kramanya nko na wo. Mehia.
From dark days I go see light. My story paper.
Basa nare.
Ah, o deles me boto.
Sama my other so.
Move away.
Move. Basa minimum da on so threaten me.
What da move away.
Alright.
Move away. I don't know.
Me yes ha.
Aha.
Da me patrol minimum baby me patrol.
Who me? I don't know me say I am say me to flower
Top hana.
Dabai. What am to
Oh hene nyamia.
Hey.
Oh, masa why na me so ma bi wa.
Jamwade na your mother.
Me mother side.
Sade ba over.
Yawa.
Am to yakova. Kaka try.
One bodam. Bra minimum da. Onso di me threat me. Oh my police fight o.
Sasai.
Na woni mo why? What are they on mother be?
Na tata flat top o. Fast top na hold mam top. Ba ko mam mazi for
Talk ready bidana.
Me go to fear adani ayo magazine for
magazine.
Basia. What wanna choose?
I want it. What to find?
Tapa.
Ufi tapa. Oh, I say also baby do not so money bi o na mo anything.
Say.
Because say and then why nya smarter. What me dey no fi ho banana mu say wadwon. Me hu akire na na mu say wadwon.
E adwuma na
adwuma.
Adime.
Do.
Fam tutu.
I know the adwuma de di wa hene we kwa nyame na ya don so hu me. Uni mi gina wo kasa nka bia wo ka hu mi anka betimi ayira. Sa aya nti we no say opa betimi introduce you. Bra he betimi ayi adwuma bu. Mi betimi so wo yombo hu yeska. We na adwuma anu na kura mi no. We kura mi. My turn 3 days. Sika menya free ho no. Almost be close to be to 2000 Ghana.
What I didn't know. What's happened? I didn't say.
That's so kura me. My turn is 3 days.
Yeah, yeah, say.
Anya no bia me ma we adu kofi. Mema mazin here.
Papa ne.
Kura me no mama mazin.
Na de mazin
ashim.
I don't know who mama diesel.
Antu nkodu fie na aye mazin. Na wu hu me. Da wu se nyame adom na ade ehia me. Ka hu me ba bia.
I say ensuo bi na bo ensuo
bi mu. Unim, so Cassa woman, one from now, but I'm with you. Grammy meeting young from basically.
Because again, what treatment?
That's how to weird me. Nah, we wouldn't know every Sunday. Be when young coffee when you're 10 million. As not, and Yaman a crowd. Said then, Michelle me says almost be close to 2,000 Ghana.
And who yes to say?
Oh, a David with your super 10 million. Eh, young
Mammy from
oh, Dabby, Senator would throw his argument. Oh, Dabby,
Master Jumala,
maybe Jimmy.
Master,
what's that?
Master, no.
Me introducing your portrait. Oh,
young guy.
When Union sound to me, you ever walking. When the kick you ever walking,
matter, young guy.
Do when I say no, one will be better, who be yet in what home. Jehonse will cry, Hannah would do that. I said, a bit, wouldn't me, baby, I better walk for me. And Yanam.
I bet you would.
What are you, uncle?
Yeah, of course, we have 3 personalities. Each of them will qualify for the promotion. Yeah, but looking at them, you won't say top standing out, exceptional. He was a disciplinary character, the punctuality, a true passion for the work. Very respectful in all areas. Of course. Oh, no wonder. Yeah, are two qualified. Among the 3, other 2 years in the way. Other girl. So the young very mammy called was semi mammy to me very mammy called. Yeah. Oh, I do, yeah. Rather. Come in. Cindy.
Boss, good afternoon. You're foul.
All right.
Finally, oh, it's about to go down. Boy, it is about to go down. Say go down. Go down.
Check me out, yo. Charlie, where from this excitement? When a man is excited, 2 things come to play. It's either he has gotten money or Charlie, go straight to the point. Oh, I said or. Let me tell you. Finally, Cindy has agreed to go on a date with me. Whoa! Charlie, I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy for you. Wow. So when? We are doing that tomorrow. So tomorrow is weekend, you know. With the man. With the man. Wow. Tomorrow. That is arrangement. We are going on a date today. Sure. Judy. Na gay station was stressing me para. I don't know what to say. I mean, you know, she actually give the nod. So I catch him say, I should give her time to think about it. And no, how if you are not buying, say, she has finally agreed to go on a date.
I'm buying her also.
Do it.
Confirmation evidence, but them knock me down. One word from home, my life turn around. Dance floor beat, but my soul is right. Freedom sweet tea, taste like life. No evidence to them judge my face. From suit and tie to recent place.
I hope you had fun.
Yeah, it was nice.
What are you doing?
I'm ordering for a boat.
Why?
My ride home.
Come on, Cindy. I thought you were going to my place.
To your place. Come on. No.
Listen, I just wanted us to, continue on the fun we had here. This is the part 1. Let's continue to the part 2.
I totally understand, but I didn't prepare for that.
It's fine. I'll still go and drop you tomorrow.
I'll be going to church.
Listen, I can go and drop you early in the morning. Okay? I can go and drop you very early in the morning, like 4, 5, 6. Depending on which time will be suitable for you.
Fine.
Agreed.
Cindy, are you for real? No, tell me, are you for real?
What the fuck are you talking about?
You are asking me what the fuck am I talking about? What? So you set my bro up? You set Atos up?
Oh, calm down. Calm down.
Cindy, in the first place, why did you accept his proposal? Why?
Are you yelling at me because of that rapist? Because of that raping dude?
Ato can never do that.
Seriously?
Then you okay so
No.
Oh,
What is going on?
See.
What is going on?
This girl here, he set Atos up. He accepted to be his girlfriend.
So if I'm his girlfriend, he can have sex with me without my acceptance, right? Are you being for real?
So are you trying to tell me Ato tried to...
He dragged me.
You are such a...
Do you know what happened there?
You are such a bloody liar. Ato can never do that. Then you now open what you
Look
say.
at this dumb boy. Are you being for real now?
Simon, what is going on?
This girl here accepted to go on a date with Ato. And the last thing she could do is to accuse him of raping her.
I didn't accuse him.
How?
He left
You
me
accused
without
him.
my acceptance. Don't you get it?
Wait, so why is Ato now?
He has been arrested.
He's at where he belongs.
Who's a prisoner cry? Who's a prisoner cry, Massa? Dear Panadoba. And our condos of so battle.
Colleague Bearman and our Benjamin. Oba. And I know ABB.
Only near the only need business.
I could die.
I don't know, sir. age mate. And I don't die. Any actual.
Report yourself, my report.
Oh, Conibim.
I do be trying to the I have a family.
Cobim.
I deal bad, the year do by one also kind of me be film for beaching. As my working, why I thought so.
Maybe or Tiase, Naman,
What do you mean? Let's go work.
How many rounds?
And now opening to mana.
How many minutes?
On chess, so raising is it was Hana on chess.
How many minutes?
Massa, and now Ban Mumako report to say what repuno will be our own repuno. And I was sending in the Diana.
That's my son.
And then the local represent or report is all repuno. Tell you to not be PFR. Hey,
he has wrong. Yes, it's a cockra. Who have a little bit or Minnesota.
first, so there are sounds of a tassel.
We any BB. It's in a do a babish.
Who's sending the dark and a
Ocean.
No one said, I don't know, David to say what's another.
Did you force him?
Monsieur Studio own you.
He made a brobenia.
Ah, also now soon, yes, it is Ghana. Baby, I don't dear, can I take a view? Yet near the Rabban, dear. We rock or soon near Menina, be so. Now you do my bay.
Many company be
Company bay, I'm where dear Duma.
And to export, no
I look at export to abroad. Anything my boon went to me and you'll be and I'm co worker or Juma Communipa and I don't die. And they are Cononqua.
No what Treviana, huh? No one Treviana.
Many come and say,
open my own. For open my I don't know because I will do.
What's it here?
Unifie. And you say what be people have obedience if ye. Say the dreams in Nina share.
The dreams in Nina share.
Oh, Prince in die, but
next year.
Who is the cabin?
Do it
Cooler.
Bad is that?
Yeah,
2016.
2016. And 2025, not 2016 car. 2 years can add the day. Say, out, was me out to fool, I say.
My senior sister,
Did you be so? Was it man?
Uto fool, I say, no news, no news that if you're from Bay.
Months, 1,005.
You joke, I say.
Send no city, but because I'm repun a bad day pass in the paper deal.
Man, yeah.
Then you didn't have a pier. Huh? I had a OT. When you have a number, women your boy soon, sir. Yes, it's a leader.
It's a leader.
Oh, when
big musician.
I don't Obama power.
I think you know, I see a good name.
I saw a bit of my power, dear Miss Wilson in a near boy. You know, or how about dear? The here so become to him now. When you did,
no near much, I imagine the demona is usually a bomb serious. No, or any back in vocality at the end. And then the maybe dinner, I'm ready free baby. And then the dreams in I see a good day to me now. I see a good no.
We didn't sing, we said we nippy. We was all remove for you. But I mean, 25 into no say, you say. Made me and people grab more chance.
It's just a number.
Okay.
Look at Anna, yes,
about anymore.
Ah, because he is young.
Emilia, as soon dear Mo. What would you panacoda was a minute and night. I would deny. But one rupuno. Then I bent him so on canting pass or rupuno, rupunet, or rupuno, bois. Orupuno. Fra ibe.
Okay, who your romance and what your romance?
Who in your romance?
Say
often I know on so few no. I don't say one run doors.
Run the road ade.
On the run doors.
oh dear so one no.
Me wuro me don so wuro.
On so ruby.
Eh, Vascate.
Esa wo run na be magina so na because
Ne nyina.
Say the gina so run wo dey say shooting so ne beda. Esa wo run hu na be magina so.
Ne gina so na ne nyina so.
Ne gina so.
Nya wo so respect wo SEO.
Na obu hu anka wa ha. Aha ne de unya du ha ohene wo ye ho akwa na wo semrase o. Eti oni dawie na ye de.
Ne de.
Cindy, I'm highly disappointed in you. Yes. How could you do that? At least the two of you are working under my roof. If anything at all, I don't think I won't consult me. Then take your own decision. Forgetting about the company's image. Cindy, why? I mean, why? Tell me. What happened? And then the Bessia, you couldn't even come to me and explain things to me. And once what they are talking to. Do you know what you've caused? Do you know what is security?
Do I know what I have caused?
Yes.
Boss, are you really trying to tell me that you care about your company's image than my dignity or my personality?
I am not saying that, but at least you should think about the company first.
How is it my fault? I didn't plan any of this. Boss, you wasn't there. You weren't there. You don't know what happened. Atu just invited me to his house. And I thought it was a friendly something. When I got there, he offered me a drink. And before I could realize, time was far gone. He took advantage of me. He slept with me. And you think it's nothing? I just wanted the law to deal with him. I want him to face the law. What else?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, you've done nothing wrong, but at least you should have consulted me. You should have told me everything.
Because he would lie. That's why I went ahead and reported him to the law.
Now it's everywhere. The company's name is everywhere. It's everywhere.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How in China was so I am in pill. It was so every way every was so sure and yes, we say Uncle Ponquan so no dancing. My dear, you are was yeah, me person me bahana who says so. Me count, but me banner yes say me to me maybe so yeah, me so I'm hacho. Me so.
Benson. I know I will be sharing crying soon, Intino, Benson. So I'll be married to Wakano. Yeah, fine. Come out to you.
That's. I only many does so. Oh, one am did na me masunya bidi. See, I nyapa. He can you session. Oh, coy, and your memo coy, and your memoir bassa, dear my dinner. So, dear, na may. You saw some no dear, and you so a sign, and ya be sign. So, show more than mamma what it. Now, quite many does so. See, I'll be sure her offer, so Uncle School for said you, mammy, Timmy, into your school fees. Empire me bonina and said, what for be baby? You were free. Sir, do I become answer?
Mensu. Okay. What will be sending crying and you can say Usu? What you say? Now prison round so Yensu prison. Mr. Robbie Bray. To Becan Crunch as a matreno. Said the Baya Yamensu Becano. Why? Timensu. Mr. Oh, obey to me. Please. Hey. Why? Come on, to you. Why? Auntie. I'm not so. Visitors who are wanting on Bishop Munko. What? Yami come. Why? You are very fine. Damn. Yami insurance is okay. Why? Okay. Then Yami go. Why? Come on to you. What? You are very fine.
So Simon, why are you okay?
I'm listening. You just talk.
Let's discuss something. Like,
what is it?
What are we doing about Atu's issue? Then because just my dream was meant to say. Then
First of all, how could he? How could he do such a thing? Rape. Atu. How?
I am surprised. Like, I am a mama because Atu dear. I know say or to girl pan, so I don't get it how I'll obey sir.
No. Let me ask you this. If it's a would be I can you go to that extent and say we'll rape Nana?
No, I'm not sure. Say Atu dear.
Oh, come on.
And man, cause I'm not paying a tray, but this is but
this is below the belt for Atu. How? Dear, I can't bear my general mentality.
And as a girl, you said you see Nana because this. Then I don't get it.
You and I were not there.
I'm just asking. Oh, I'm just guessing. Like because I don't get this. I'm a mama.
Rape. This sounds funny.
No.
It sounds funny.
This quiet guy, I don't think he's capable of doing that. Charlie, I'm confused. Seriously, I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know what to believe anymore. Seriously.
If he's Joseph of our time or like I don't get it.
I'm doing my better answer. Let be a menu didn't come on, catch you. And my realm home, be and see ya, be ye either. Step be I am me. May a quite far from a bahan. May dream who Madame has says yes me. And that says yes. Sure, honey. What else will make catch you? Yana de be am Joseph. They told Joseph. Eddie young fat woman, call Bible one. Eddie trying to so. Eddie to Joseph so. Or call prison, a whole name here day. Call daddy. Tina Midina, so they be am Castle Hannah me buy. ebe nyame obuta ibi ntia mama bedua sa efi we sem fa de no fa ya we chechire ma wo e bibie no wa ensu nyame ye hwede se de ma ye adwendwene na hwe ya de akofa ma me mesrew enko sa wo ha we mu endwendwene ma ade krunti o de ye do aba o de ni de se Joseph de no abia shede nyame be bibia what are some make we are said here
Yes, science. Daddy.
Body.
Daddy.
Daddy, many be any.
Don't do me no.
Oh, many be.
Daddy say how do you be video bio?
Oh, how much that's a home team so my embe. Me buy am se ni na.
Asa. Ese o so no pe na ni we. Na ono what did he? Unidi.
Hey, Emilia.
Wo no masa wo nyintum say ya chewa na. Ah, wo da so tia ye ho bebe ye ho nkran sem. Masa mo ani nya di hu so ebe ma wo. Ba bia du no enyo bi na ebe konkon ma wo no so konkon. Ah, ti da bia be say sa.
Auntie, no Matthias.
Ah. Na ejade.
Daddy.
Ja me ba to odwendwene na me tu ni focus en se ma onyi sa je ni free ni. Na mo wan.
Ade here dwale kakra.
Na me lo de ni ko ye fato ho.
Ade ho kakra.
Me lo de ni ye fato ho.
Wo de me de ni ye fato ho se se.
Ko bugu bi.
Ah.
Ni e do betu. Okura ko 7 years.
And ukure ne
Ah, nti wo twa be se 5 years.
Na wo waka
na o so do de no so ye fato ho.
Ah, me la fa e bi ya fato ho.
Ah, o so chire mu se.
Me chire mu se me de ni de e ko ye se asase bi na me koton he.
Ade a aton dada na o si chire sa koton mo.
How many years?
And let's work now I can bully.
Ti se o de no abia.
Okay, years.
Ah, me de se me twa be se be twa you ha 6 years.
I said 6 years.
Na aka o se.
Ah,
Aka o
se
se.
aka fo. Fo no pa me ka.
Ntino ono no. Ohunu se na body fitas and onyo bebu. Ono to sisi e kra na sisi e na critical. Abasi sikasem nya yi adwin na dan trimu no. Ne nsa na yese nti na hunu so ntimi nya ba adwin na dan trimu no.
Na wo ganja na sister ni o land for.
One yom president. Oba prison ya, oba uzo bia free. Sister. Onwa.
Na ai unti obi ha adwoa. Canada.
Le ba ko fo ne se se ejai.
Andi.
Ejai
Ato emi bo mo so pa na be ma kasa wo ye din se mo hwe agbo yi obesi twemi nkrai. Omu nyina so mo nim so the prison. And so mo sere. And on kwada se da bia ma wo bia kai sa se ya che wato. So be sen ya ko so. Sorry.
What has that choice you know your say? Me woso. Me tete am fen.
Ah, me kai. Na no so o bi ani ma se da wa yire yi. Ha e prison o. Ato ha e prison. Ahanya wo dem na ahanya o.
Nya no man pere be. Sa mo sa.
Asa wa di say keka ho na be ma. Keka ho. Sre. Fantiri be stro.
About that stro.
Ponsre. Trase.
Ntia na o de o de ayan fato ho ma na tu ne.
Aja o de o mum no so twire buku. O wanyini.
Na moto.
Ato moto mu no.
Yeah. Life no be play. Yo. One drink, one smile. Everything change, yeah. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same jokes, small life. After work, chilling.
With perseverance, the snail reached the lowest arc. My father once said, and I quote him, what makes a person is not what goes after the person's name, but what comes after the name. To honor the Lord is to hate evil. So to reach your ultimate goal or dream is what hardworking, patience, self-belief, trust, and so forth. Cindy be promoted to the position of project managers.
Jesus Christ.
Congratulations.
Guys. Boss. You don't mean it. Thank you, boss. Let me see if this is true. Wow! It's true, it's real, girl.
Congratulations.
Someone, look at this.
Deserve it.
Wow. Thank you, boss.
But with this excitement news, I wish Atu were here to witness all this. Like, this is amazing. Oh. Sorry.
Boss, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I will urge all of you to work hard, have time for yourself. The strongest weapon in life is patience. The best security is faith. And the greatest tonic for longer life is laughter.
I know the situation we are in, there's nothing you can do about it. I just want to ask you this. Are you sure you don't know anything about this issue?
Simon, I'm not very sure say Atu can never do that.
Do you know something? Once the situation it's me now you don't think about it.
I know, but
that is why I'm asking him. You just tell me I'm your friend. Atu, I roll with you. So just tell me if say I just want to find ways and means let me to charge you. But how can I proceed?
You know me too well to know things I can do and things I cannot do. What else do you want me to say? What else? If you as a friend cannot trust me and believe that whatever I've been accused of, I can't do it, then who else will trust me?
Come on, it's not that I don't trust you, I trust you. But where you find yourself right now, it's very risky.
Simon, let's trust Atu on this, please. We should trust him on this.
But I was just pushing, maybe there is a truth hiding somewhere.
He can't do that. I am very sure he can never do that. Let's trust him on this, please.
Fine, it's fine. No problem. If you say so. Everything will be fine, okay?
Sorry.
So, how is Cindy?
Oh, Cindy. She has been promoted.
Really?
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay.
Don't be sad, bro. Don't be sad.
It's okay.
So you have no idea what I'm going through. You have no idea. If I tell you the pains I have in my heart, there's no single night I've been able to close my eyes to sleep. No single night.
So sorry. So my guy, we brought you some food. So I think...
Okay, can I inspect the food?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Everything is fine. Any other thing else?
Yeah, I have it.
How much? 200 cedis. Ato, they brought you 200 cedis. So we'll put it on your file. That anytime that you need money, you can come for it. Okay? Let's keep.
Everything will be fine, okay? Watching it back.
Commando, I'll be back.
I told us I won't know case that over peace and said, what great fruit is here? I am now Tiana Ususuna, Opa so good, you know. That's how the Adoba and said, how me boy.
And you boy now, but beginning of no to all.
Ah,
it's a won't but good joint.
When you can't go to Benquato, Agent Cat and Gwyn Wepi. Eh, Jimmy boy. Now, any after half for all these years and in the end, I told you, only power. Flesh boy. Carlos Eberton, a boy, open the M1, open the Jim, you don't know. So, no, shall no for you. Shall no that. Check. Would Jimmy know soon to have our work so honey and so I have found no man's land. And now, get your baby about to you. Yan, so was a brassy, but to ye. There, who's who go with a wood? Oh, by angel who could join. What on way? Yes, who got Catholic? What on way?
The colleagues been at the bed. Come to your office.
Can you check? I'm living.
Major for.
If you're on. If you go.
My colleagues been at the bed.
I'm a star. And now I'm mobile around for my chair. Disrespect. I told under prison for all these years, he made prison master. He made control prison. Enough for more. What does I feel about? I don't fancy to now be soon. Judge me, no, only. I didn't tell one here. Now, come on, I come here. I come on here. Yes, anybody said it in what? Yes, when he, Alfuni. Ah, one year, sir. I then I go. Officer. Ade. I don't know what in the bank. Ha! You this guy, you are becoming unbecoming. You have to be very careful. I don't know what it is. I mean, yeah, what it is. I don't know buy when you more baby ana. Jedi and any. Officer, won't you say now? Jedi and one way bedroom room mission every month. Officer, I don't say any the officer. Ediane me na me receive visit no mo ne ono adia.
Yes, it say banku na dey.
Munya ediane we ye to ediane banku prison ha. Ye visitors na dey bre. Wan ye friend say. Oh, ai akaw. Ana me hu no.
E ja akaw.
Mu he bibiye. Ateti amode guy fam no. It's not nice. Man we ya. Officer intim na meni o. Ogina ho say minim ateti ye dey ne. Mo fa na ediane ma. Anya ne dia. Me na me receive ediane no. Officer. Mo fa na ediane ma.
Evidence when I just ediane.
Me na me receive ediane no.
Yes, in the bank no, Mr. Chena
ediane ma.
Oh, officer.
Ye ediane.
Officer.
Intimo challenge me ana.
Anya challenge but ediane ne dia. Ono onim.
Come to you. Mo mo fa.
I don't want to ho mo ba na.
Me am yi mi botom ska to ediane ni bia mo adi. What? Nyambotre, bibia be fine. Ni be make sure say me ni mpanimfo e be deal with them.
Yeah, chiwa ho be tu.
Why no be small if you have a long time. Bibia no ya refu bi o ya na ehu a.
Oh, Pale restaurant,
subject to the attention.
Many times I've done a
for the bottomless day on my head was messed up by the power of the Almighty. We far in the generation triumphantly. Want to have this
innocent.
So, Atu, what prompted you to do such an act? No, what was it? And how? Why do you have to in the first place do that? Atu, of all people. No. Atu, I don't know, yes, sir. The whole lot of her. And my baby, he couldn't go to anybody. Atu, I mean, I find it very difficult to understand this. No.
Boss, like I said earlier, I am innocent.
Don't tell me lies. Remember, trust means everything. But once the trust is broken, soil will mean nothing. So tell me the truth.
I didn't rape her.
But you did what? You did what? So you actually have sex with her. Was it? Did you?
Yes, I did.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
I did, but it wasn't a rape. I didn't rape her.
But you did what? Sanya rape her again. Sir, do you know what rape is? Having sex with a person without the person's consent.
Boss, calm down. Okay.
Did she?
Calm down.
Did she? No, answer me.
How sir?
Huh? You!
David,
sit
down. No.
You!
Sit down.
Sir, please.
Tenase.
Huh?
Tenase. Boss, if you're buying yes, I'll.
What was it? I don't know if I'm a fool. I'm a fool.
Tenase.
Bring that fool!
Why am I a fool? Why?
I was sending you outside the prison. Just sit down.
Pastor,
Tenase.
over here, can't have him here. Can't come and insult me.
Go to yourself. Pacho. Nyabotre. What it? Oba inti na oba ye. Inti ene ne din komo. So only need komo we na case for from we will talk about it. Pacho.
You can run, but you can never hide.
Just talk to your boy. That's all. Go to yourself.
Where do you know me from? I'm a gentleman.
Go to yourself.
Officer, he's insulting me.
So, just go to yourself. Just sit down. This is not the reason why you came here. You came here because of your boy. So talk to him, please. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. No, let me check it before. Okay, paper chop. Obe bubi edi. Bubi di paper chop. Ubenum kakra.
Okay.
Ubenum kakra. This I am a farmer no. You dey go out and I saw the go back. And we have a reason behind that. And you say be our nom keke. What you say? Obi wa na bibi wo mu no dey brain no to kill the person. Why? It's calm down. Okay?
This boy.
What do you take it? Okay, thank you.
You shouldn't pay for it. Whoa.
I cover up for the budget. Okay.
Officer.
Sunny, you remember it here. Why?
One no, who say one patch up. Okay, thank you.
It serves you right. That is why you are here. It serves you right. You did.
Maybe I should be before for Obi Mother.
So I give away.
And I will now the brand. Okay.
So, don't let your current situation cause you to lose weight, okay? Let be the reason you become so strong. Okay. All right? Good.
Okay. So you are done with him?
Yes.
Okay. So what is going on between you and the other guy?
Who is
Other
that?
prisoner?
You will hear from me.
What happened? I just
It's
want
a
to
foster.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Cindy, sir, we came here on the behalf of Ato to apologize. Unim say Ato Montesa, and I'm sure Unim say Ato Odo. Say Sakra see a crana, young fan say Odo, until my dear sir, into Monsieur Nyabutre. They say as someone who need now so the Obekan and a Bema to any family. Until we are power shop Nyabutre. Na cast me na Ato. Only found it because I told or bread. Who call cross any way and
wait. Debbie, what are you trying to mean? Just tell me. I know at all. Meaning say onye ni pabonini. Madam fono na mene ne koba. Enti se ka bibia ni mpo a me mabusa no. Ekwan bia so. Enso se nya no credit. Which means say one was that frame bibi na dey ato no so hwe ye.
Simon. She wo ba ha se wo ba be pepis and say wo benyame cassette.
Peace be.
Are you being
guys, wait.
Simon, now no, what are you trying to say to me?
Please.
What do you mean by him saying Atotiana?
Okay.
Oh boy.
Simon. Then are we?
One more be bema. You be the audacity.
Like,
and I'm saying you are there
business.
You are there trying to tell me, say, I don't want peace, right?
No, is he not guilty? Are you telling me he's not guilty? No, what's the essence of the law if the law is not functionable? Did
he force you?
Did he force me? If he didn't force me, will he be a cell?
Why did you go to his house? In the first place, why did you go to his house?
This boy, you are not sensible. You are being irrational right now. You came to my house to make peace. And you are here talking as if you own the law.
Please.
And to all catch me said that is no more.
Be careful of your words.
Simon.
Hey,
Simon.
How dare you come to my house to talk to me anyhow?
Have you forgotten?
Speak to me like you feed me.
Cindy,
have you fed me before?
Cindy, please. Simon, what's the meaning of
this? Sorry, free uncle.
We came here to apologize. As I was saying, someone, what's this? Please.
Look at him.
Fine. I'm sorry for reacting that way.
This is not why we came here. We came to apologize. Stop what you are doing.
You are making my blood boil.
It's okay.
Cindy, please.
Calm down. So can you please, Diana, I'm coming. Can you please tell us the truth so that the guy can be free?
I should tell you which truths. Which truth are you talking about?
You say what you're saying is not true.
Oh,
Simon, what
so I'm blaming issues on him. I'm blaming the guy.
You are just pissing her up. What? Shut up, okay?
I will. What is it with
you for real?
We can't apologize.
Leave. I will leave. This is your house. I will leave.
Next time, I want people in my house, not things, not animals, not people who don't think before talking. By the count of 3, move from if you have to.
I will leave.
I said you should leave.
It will justify the means.
It will justify the means in my favor. Leave. Move from how can I the mean you know I'm shedding so crown woman. Your much rabbi, your tissel so crown boy a part or now.
If you saw a prison, you had different food. Chilling be what? I'm about to boy. Yes, in the bush in there. I got evangelist. I was chatting Tiana. Wow! Now we are.
Ano obi adam ba ma beje drink na ma beje mo dia. Ato. Drink na ma beje mo dia.
Me na him drink every misam no.
What to drink? What to drink? What to drink? Obi dia dia brem sisi ma ko fa bread.
Me you san what boda mo. Wo jesa me se bi dia boat ni wo boda mo. Wo ba please na be. Wo ba please na be. Wo ba na be. Wo ba please na be. Wo ye please na be. Wo ye please na be. Be be prisoners, ye come on, yeah. Jeremiah, yeah. What about telling you say? I don't know. What about for my dear boy? I don't know. What has my catch on? Foolish boy. Bring them. Go. Find that. Says I come do. If I say over prisoner is a hano, yeah, buffet wa ha. And who is a honey and no be on the tongue and say genuine as if you like something. I will give it to you. Something. I will give it to you. Yo, I said, but Obias my prison bar. What you appointed, I guess I'm Munyan, my papa is here. Yeah. Minimum come across the sorry by our
Cheers. One love. One love.
One heart. Let's together. See alright. Yeah. Be back here.
Hey. Rastaman is talking. You are standing there.
Da, who joined there? Hey, da, what the heck?
Foolish man.
What? And I was about prison. I was about my baby. You better do something, baby. I no man's land. If you joke, you see it anyhow.
Oh, say I did a prayer. I did for myself. Hey, I did from you. Did to more hard you.
Oh, just will be hard.
I did before you.
We are coming go.
Oh, God.
Now, one thing say.
Yes, and that's my don't be you.
Obey why? You may never say Nipa. I'm dealing for life.
Yes, I told us way.
I'm a person below. I don't say, not be a person coffee. Everything you'll be a person of your business and you'll be a person. I am Minuna Gauna. Oh, I guess you did me. Yes, I'm a time no sooner. My family near Bukumia. Now I'm Kuma angel you. Why man in him? One car, a population.
Ato.
What can I say?
Ato, like, send your pill honey and I say, like, make you want to say.
What I then say? Say I'm a parent. Says my idea.
You know you are my best friend. You tell me everything. I mean everything. Even that day na girl no didn't coffee. You told me. After that, me beside say Ato, didn't see you. Catch him say we ain't see. Afiade.
No. So what are you trying to insinuate?
What I'm trying to say is, I went to the girl's house, and the way we see treaty, you know, Ato, like, I was saying, I want to be. Everything shows say, why you are there no? Just tell me the truth. See, Madam for no, me no nekoba. Bibi obeyi and many tia. Catch them. Why ya? Na me hu kwan me fa so a me twitwa age na de wo ye idie wo be se mache wo ato wo be dem ebeche. Just tell me. Na me hu kwan me fa so a say bia o se me ta ko pe lawyer bi kan ho na me ro yi me ye kululu bi hyehye ase na me hu de The way you did. What's that kind of crap? Huh?
So, wow, you're madam for now. You believe Cindy more than you do for me. Is that it? Is that what you're trying to say?
That's not the case.
Or no, I can't. You are here pointing fingers at me because Onoma can be.
It's not that I'm pointing fingers at you, but the problem is I've not been here once. I've been coming here and I've been asking you about this whole question.
Relax. Who say me hana me wono me pe on?
Then tell me the truth. Let me who them.
You think say hana me wono? I am fair. If I have to do something to get out of here, who is a minute?
What you're saying, no, and on enfa, no, fa who dey mau.
So you want me to do what? Admit to something I never did, and then I'll say me. I have told you times with that number. I never raped that girl. I never did. Listen, I was expecting, say, at this time you stand in for me. This is the time I need you most. And yes, I'm very now.
I'm fighting for you. I'm trying my possible best. I am trying and I am still fighting. So if says Obawa hand now one kind of crunch him now, but man we are back and forth. See, I know my band my baby son work at him. Oh, there is nothing. And then and why yet now admit him my own who can't be fast so be idiot. Then I don't know what to do again. Cause me to me go get no money and the matem get card open to me. Now my baha now so some kind of crunch me. Not like what do you take me for? Into me gina hanu na me come ras aden. Madafo no until me mani abre wo so na make catch say can crunch me say also one can crunch me there. Charlie, I'm out. Into no any e bia the we ya. The family of pass bia we.
Simon.
Me say ya pa anya wonku na sebe ye wo ya nyina because atu nye obi a sebe make I say o ye that type of obi o ki cancer na o ye basa atu hardly talk kasa kra ho ye ni na say na osi bu ade ni na ho bra se ni ade no sometimes but now I find it very difficult to disbelieve or believe near a cousin. Oh yeah, a can't udentina Sabina count to. Tina Okan, people anyone is you. I'm so married a meeting here. Okay, it's hard to see. It may be a clue about Mr. Toy, so it broke a mint to me kind of question, so I could leave Kakra. Born and be trying to throw. So, because now I'm saying the Juma power into work out the matter. Me, I may dream that and also tell it to so. Yasu. Why? Yasu.
Slow, what Roma. See, I am the boss. Mamma, so that bring more tears, some on it. I bring me yet.
It's like I'm country.
For that time, get to me fancy. See, I'm no Cassie, Mamma, Quada. I have a Sabia.
Oh,
you who dear me, Yamil. It's a beer, I don't know, Bisa. Me, yes. You see me, me, Waha. I quite pen to our women who are here, my agent. Slow and idiom, sorry. What be our betting me?
some simmer. Me, sorry. So that's on Macassa. Sapto nyo kuna yewunya inyina miso oye minua oye mimia nti mehwe de meti baye why minja menya na jeje musa all right
Ade. Huh? Kenya. Ade wo dwene. Huh? Kenya wo dwene di say wo prison na wo dwene na de.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is it? Why is my brother pasa? Enya me person come ba say.
Na wana on the no. Obeka my brother papa say odi mfie say emfa ne mra no metna.
So who ka de wo ya ma me ba.
Na me na me yede.
Ba wonu say wo ya fo de. Say me no nem say wa ba 2 times a week count 3 times.
Na Kenya na obe prison and obi be dem a wo kwa yetregu ni ho.
Kenya ko kwasesem no.
Ko kwasesem fro ko no wa bodam papa.
Che unim
wa bodam say me ma hawo.
Die. What say me drips in na. What my drips in na. Achiagu my body na. Achiagu. Me da so ni na.
Kenya wo drips be na drips be na kura.
Ya na me wo drips what? Kenya me wo drips what? What? Oh, visa day. Oh, visa day.
What I can say, medical bahaw. Kenya maba be 3 times, we can 3 times. So wo Jimmy me metimi akun na matra for life.
Then na then who bet me? So what yesterday? I didn't about you, never about you. Jamba mad me say. Yes, me bibia.
Wow, boy, damn, no can na say me. Me can say me. Me the cocoa so me na me. I want to who Jimmy oh. Who Jimmy please you bet when you so. Who do what the boy damn papa afa na o meda na afa na wa gire hu say me ma how. Afa ni mo je me ja so otiri hu ma o. Me ja se me ata otiri mo ja so otiri.
Ya so wa funu me you afunu.
E Jimmy na. Unya prisoner.
I'm a prisoner.
I know you to say prisoner with me.
Oh, I'm
But the source crack by Jimmy. Send a prepaid.
Pre-pay. Maybe more prepaid. Oh, no,
prisoner. And Jimmy. Hey, Babo, Cheche. What Jimmy? Who be getting Chichi, I found it. Yeah, because I ah, say what? Emilia, oh, you answer more. Emilia, you're going. Ah, some of our more maybe we saw me when we saw me. When you go to, and I want to what of food we did not so I have. Who will want to credit one baby? Hey, Namuade. Say, you have a little bit of box. Muja, they are die 5 years.
Who's up with footage now?
Who's my dream you.
No, we saw a dream.
Some call it my dream.
Not so young as I
did. 5 dream be able to make Pierre Mouye.
Be here. I will say,
and some more hammer soon. You know, trim neck as a hammer. Move more hammer. More high, more high. What's a quiet? Mummy, my madam, Pina, Mummy,
it's in a walk on the attack.
Mummy, my madam,
One drink, one smile, everything changes. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same jokes, small I play. After work, chilling music, low. Laughter loud, but my heart no. She say you're nice, she say you're cool.
The police department of investigation department. And the department wants to meet you and then know the outcome of the case. What side of the story? The entire Mohan, you see, I know you, and I know who Ato is also. Yes. That is why it's very difficult for me to understand who owns the truth and who owns the what? False. from the bottom of your own heart. Cindy, can you tell me what happens?
Boss, Mr. Nyaku, into shame, met me at Chantratos. Boss, I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. The guy forced me and slept with me. I was helpless. I couldn't do anything. You know I'm a lady. I don't have his strength. I went through a lot that night. And right now, I have nobody. It's only you and God that I have. Boss, just imagine I'm your daughter. Your only daughter. And then this happens to me. What will you have done? Wouldn't you support that your daughter with everything and every breath in you? I'm begging you. Please, be my backbone in this. I don't know what to do anymore. Everyone thinks I'm lying.
No. I know your brand of character, signature of character, and code of character. I know it. I only want the truth. And you said, no pray, say, or the pain of come here and there. Good.
How I wish life plays like a television, so that everyone can see it. And all those saying I'm lying against him, they can all witness it.
It's okay. I've heard you, okay? I've heard you. All right. I must take my leave.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Falling. Mama, when you're Hawaii. Falling. Mama, when you're Hawaii. Then, money my would say. Mundi Diana. A combo. Now rushing by money. Somebody did. My who's the donations so about more laptop, yes, your love, any African, a mother and so now. And the moon will have your bonnet said that be I a foot to any Yamia 7 of the now. Yes, now, yes, Sam Reno, BBM near the Radidina chassis, Nanidina Sadi. Enti yabeshe dwumadi na ase no yabema baako ade ani mo mpaibom yankata yani
osoro ye da
wasi amen
se wa ma ope
ayo
papa yesro emra ye ba beti asemi manim wura yaso na adwe sete go emra ya bra
Babu.
Oba.
Amen. Why are dear pa? Now, Punkru was soon. I also hear what you said. Fanya me so serious what it? Never bow. Men Samreno, and a foot to back mienu miensa na me wo mama. Sabio, eni dua fie, ayo bia fie. E betimi atu bia. Enti no ha na wa ba no nkyere se abrabona pem. Emre papa we dey e wo wanim. Enti no de mesre ni se edanduam ho a wabai. Ye wo dwumadie bebre wo ha. Se mo amudi mani ahu bi. Ye wo mo pam mpaboa, mo ye mpaboa, mo ye kente, mo pam ade, mo ye se bi ma atoma, mo di go masene. Enti se woni nsa no dwuma bi a mesre se odun hu be hyem. Se de be ya nyame ya adom na se obre na de ma wo ne so a okwa wanyansa ne djuma e de akọbọ bra na prison services so ya to djuma de bi din think prison 360 a eboama prisoners nyina ewo Ashanti region ha enu ntine ya maame a oda ya no Mrs Patience Bafu Boni odi djuma de won waso ya ba a wosre ankrankre ene adwumayefo asorefo nyumakuo se omonye yemwa na se de ato ya akoma so se ye nkyere mu nsa no dwuma no munsumu pia mo ankone na basa na mo nyansa no dwuma eni sika be ye dwetire na mo de ahye adwuma se de be ya munsumu pie ne ehumu a ye ni beje enya se de ye penu nie denso aba ne saa ntini ye nso ato ya akoma so se ye moa mo na mu pia ye nso ehumu a ye ni age ntini mamu renho ti bia mo ba mu mamu renho nyame wo mre papa ma obia mate ase ntini man dwendwene wo de se bibi hye wo so na se wo hwe na nko an ntimi boa emane entumpo na se bibi hye wo so na ntimi nsolve a officers were around wo betimi no officers susu ho se de be ya yenso ye wo ha mamo because ye bota ye ne se be sesamo afri mo bone ho na mo abeye papa se de be ya society no nso no eni beje mate ase ntino se bibi hawa memfa nhye omu e ma ne ntetio wate ase na ade na minia wo sofo e se ma yiwu nyame difo de be yedwuma de bia na be bompae bibi aboko we okay what did he
now say nja no ntini tina ye hu de kwaso ye nyira yo baby ye onye ma
ye bia nka me mo ska to aduane de
o chire sa di pe chire me ni time
na ya mo awa nwum na be kwaso me music promoter
yeah life no be play one drink one smile everything change yeah. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same jokes, small I play. After work, chilling music, low. Laughter loud, but my heart no. She say you're nice, she say you're cool. I read the signs, I break the rules. One night on too heavy talk. Next thing siren, blue lifeline. One party to sell, no time to explain. My name on headline, washing with shame. Same girl with the vibe. Now she dey point. My truth everybody want them. No evidence but they lock me down. One word from her, my life turn around. Dance floor beat but my soul they cry. Freedom sweet till you taste that life. No evidence to them judge my face. From suit and tie to prison place. If love be crime then I'm guilty now. But God knows say I don't touch that ground. Sell cold night long, mama they pray. Lawyer talk money system no play. Friends they vanish like smoke for air. Only silence answer my prayer. She dey club, she dey post online. While I dey count days, losing time. Truth get weight, but I get wings. One small story spoil everything. If you be man, shine your eye well. Some smiles be done to live in hell. Not every vibe mean invitation. Not every yes be confirmation. Evidence but them knock me down. One word from her, my life turn around. Dance floor beat, but my soul they cry. Freedom sweet till you taste that life. No evidence to them judge my face. From suit and tie to prison place. If love be crime then I'm guilty now. But God knows say I no touch that ground. Shine your eyes, guard your life. One mistake we change your name. Shine your eyes, read the sign. Everybody know me same. I learn say respect past desire. Consent clear, anything else fire. But lies too wicked, truth too slow. Still I stand tall, I no go for. Many days but they lock me down. Still I dey breathe, I no back down. From dark days I go see light. My story pain but my future bright. No evidence but my face stay strong. This beat they dance, my heart go on. If freedom call I go answer loud. Truth go rise above the crack. Life no be play. smile, everything changed. Yeah, everything changed. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same jokes, small life play. After work, chilling, music low low. Laughter loud, but my heart no. She say you're nice, she say you're cool. I read the signs, I break the rules. One night on to every talk, next thing siren, blue light flash. From party to cell, no time to explain. My name to headline, washing machine. Same girl with the vibe, now she the point. My truth heavy, but the world deaf. No evidence, but they block me down. One word from her, my life turn around. Dance floor beat, but my soul they cry. Freedom sweet, do you taste that light? No evidence, still then judge my face from suit and pride. So prison place, if love be crime, then I'm guilty now. But God knows, say I no touch that ground. Cell code night.
So, she papa your heart up with any. The family are better man phone so chill. What I say. Or look at I many that so. What's it? Oh, Papa. Listen, me and I ye. So, you could have got to you more.
Mammy, I didn't. Didn't know, yes, sir. Ah, me share papa ya ohata siri anim enti wonu ane de wanhwa nyame anim na oye me de oye me no waho onu de wanhwa nyame anim enti sanka wo bane me na obi aye me saa anka wo beka se yemfante de wo ya na eye me tan e bi kra nye mabuf se wo kwakofa me boss abet na ache se oye me ferifo me nhwe na ni mo mferi na me mfante enyi why wonim de me femu de bia me da na jo ameson ho daye ne makoma ebo se me da me ntumi nna mami me ntumi mfa nche o she
Cindy.
Boss,
You see, you cannot find the right person if you won't let go of the wrong one. Coin has two sides. One side tells you the value of the coin. Then the other side, the nature of the coin. Bacho. Jabibia Maninka.
boss, you are supposed to be supporting me. I went through a lot. I've been traumatized. And now you just want me to let go like that. What about my dignity? I can't do it.
Yeah. Talking about your personality, right? Why? I'm saying, what's your pain? I'm going to fire. From all fresh in mind. Today, guys, will be a baby call. What? But think of it.
I will, but he needs to be punished for what he did to me.
What the anya people for any to me a casamma, one pacho. Or no, did mammy maybe dear Miss Mommy.
And it's you know waiting it dear. Men swan come in mammy Betsy Bew. Hey, that's a cram to me and what may I because of your DM. It's dangerous. What do you imagine?
I don't know how. the how be out there catch me meet you. Then how? Meet you.
I don't meet in a wall.
Sure.
Be enemy relative fine. Also, sell that. Any black coats. This is more to timid, Timbia.
Wow.
More to Timbia, more to timid. Obidia, dear cry if you feel the Diana Bremia, Medicine, no mark of nobody.
Wow.
The last time, my boss said, "Bring me bread and a drink. Me buy no mark of fat."
Oh, really?
That's what they've been doing. It's like always more treating me.
Wow. And now the course you know, what the share home country will be Who the show moon so how? Officers never had you know, you will have because of you people. It is a baby course on us wow and us in favor. You need to come and report so that we will deal with them. Don't keep it to yourself. Say, what is show me? Just it can kill you. What you say? Until we be an hour, just come to any of the officers around, and we will solve it for you. Okay? Where did he? When you be ready? Wow. Now, if you are not better, now the end, you can't catch me. Just tell me.
Chicken.
Wow. And I'm out. Okay. Only problem. Maybe I want to see her, and I will try to get you some. Just calm down. Everything will be fine, okay? And ma will be out. Anybody who tries to intimidate you, just bring the person, and we will deal with that person, okay?
Sure.
And maybe be how prison Hana one. We are here to reform you people. Do you understand? And we are also here to make sure you people are in a good state. Said at the end of the day, no. When you are so any other day, Aje. It's a mad be a baby and buabem. Namero Pamawati. I'll get you the fried rice and the malt, as you said earlier. Okay.
Like the chicken.
That's the chicken. Don't worry. How many chickens? Two. I'll get you some. Okay. Feel comfortable here. Okay.
Officer, that means you're discrimination.
I'm not discriminating here.
Officer, no. And I ain't any more. Officer, me no be so yes jiska.
So
prison na man yema nyina asesa na mama jesa na there be to why any more to koto fried rice and chicken and bread no. Na any etena prison ya for all these years no. Da be no obusam de medi crumble da na
kan wa food. Wo da bia wani age meaning prison ha no kra no wani jesa wa.
No officer nti se ye nyina every ho a wo kra betimi atena.
Enu nti na se prisoner bia rewo a me approach prisoner no ma bisa nde ha no. Ba already no ase wo hu ni sa hakra yo fie a.
Enu bia na rewo a wo hu me rewo a hyemu me rewo betimi akopran so na me nsere.
Okay. All of us. So you free you ya no amfe wo sia me dem.
No officer we busa ndi obedi no. Se so ndem sisi no wo nya bi mu nia. Se sun no besun.
Onsu. Da come dem gamla maji mu be fa me bread and drink na mu di.
Hwe o kire.
Wasem no mo kan wo kan he ya ani se wo de abeto.
So obeja tun so obeja tun so prisoner.
Ka kuma to yem. Wasem no wo kan sisi ya no na mo, and we will make sure that you guys we will deal with you people.
We
will definitely deal with you people.
You deal with us.
Just put it in mind.
Officer, sometimes so be bad for from whom you mra wa at least obeto me. Enti mani hu say prison no yenye pe there are some stages. Me black coat. Can we say me different stage, no say different stage. But as a mobile, moon can quite intro mo. No more look at us yenye penti basa no respect my
so who can say?
Me can say as we company me chire.
Na me ba me fa respect me na me fa ma wo. Me ba me do
at. Oba woni matem.
Me atem didi wala.
Oba woni matem.
Atem didi wala.
Me ka say bibi a oye. Ni nyina yatem didi.
Dabal kan say me bibi wala.
Oh we problem ta
we problem. Me fi no. E ma ne fa ni san me san wo. What you say?
E baby e dey.
Ono da bia na asema wo kan say wo da form dada. O nsura hwe ase.
Ase bia no misuru.
Enti no wo na ogina ho no. mem fa manim fa ni sami san wa hwe ho why
na don't know so
ojina ho
ato oda prison o nyina ho ye nyina ahwe ase abom
we mu mi enu amanya papa besene what do we say be kan o manim
how many years
that jano
bejina se what do we say be kan o manim ene me de ma ba ha mu be scrap be ha nyina mu wi am de mo ko washroom ho ama ma ko scrap be ho nyina next time mu de betum ho fo enti ene this is your punishment mu be scrap be ha nyina bunsuo no na ye ne ntem na me hu de me ye kan ho
officer sometimes you
we mi hian cheche mu bia o enti ne ye wi a do before complain
no boni nkura officer me yenso mo ye nkuro
okay mate do before complain
o ma yen kasa da bia no be kan no
what
waje no kan adi
why unia na ye nti ye most probably have for more than a week 2 weeks mu di besu yansa monye tutu ha nyina we are making sure say me fa mo kwa abontin biem say ye kwa na munya kakra didi me wa
officer na say we no say jeli ana
mi hwe na me ye wo dey
na say ye jeli ana
me fa mo kwa abontin biem say no na nya kakra didi unfa nya adisia busia ni bia baada
me busia for me nsumo bia so
yampo
say me problem
enti wo ba wo so usua nyansa
officer me problem one say na me ba prison
enti ye say me kan be kan enti ye yira wonsam na wo ye be ma yira wonsam admission fún ya fún so mo tita
Get so me
they don't know you too them they talk about me if you are the auntie I say I'm going to pray me I go higher I say goodness and mercies so follow me so me never know enemy on top of places I me get hungry I be better than younger me I talk with full of when I run over my gang they run over I'm in still full of and I do
I don't know where many you
open for me
more na mo delay no na mo punishment ne ko so
no plenty
ma we ya asem ketu abi mo be ma na ya asem kese eti mun tie futu na menya de mo nya de ma sere mo se mo nya no
enu so motivate me
okay mo nti mo nya oh eti say okay mo nya
ato nipa gina ha o
na de wan che nipa
ato
nenya nipa no che ano
ti boy no ne wa asebwe won se oduya o che nzo anche
mi na wo so che ame
na ne wo problem
mi na wo so che ame nya wo
no se enya
enti wo de ye wo wia na aka asem no mo nya ye ma sere o se mo nya
officer nim na ye hihye
officer nim na ye hihye na me chewa ubehu ye chewa ubehu ti menshi ye mehu wo mani so no bisabelele mi se be ya poli obete gbangban ubedi ye doli officer nim na me hihye officer nim na me hihye na menshi ye chewa ubehu officer ni bibi ye ne da form ti nsura
ya we ase no be se wura form so we ase be wura form e wona abo nje se we ase
yay
so we be reach na phone
me say 2 weeks na me dia mamo
be say we gina so na me
enti me make sure say mo be ya de no
okay
jere wonsam
uni boboni bi ada
mi ni bone
e bi say we ba
mi ni bone mi ni bone
Absentee unobi
yeah juma na enti o be some questions are you checking your officer okay do that way
at least I'm just
once what things so na go me
no
punishment in the cost row and you don't know
sorry
yeah juma no
okay
see me see trouble
am I a boy
me call you the inside am me ba na ma wi juma no so what it me ba na ma soro juma na mo be sa ye ne biem me ba
nti say ye ka say ayi wodu e musician o call president me heto yum na no kre so o talent dey enwu yo
David na man for un man for atena prison ko do nyam na hito abonte na se vibes kata kra no otonyu mo prison
okay zi
o nyina no otonyu mo prison bijo so fa mijo okay bijo So far me do braga. Bim, minute take. Be a tier 1 minute take. If I'm a acadam lava, blast it. Now we didn't the minute to boom. Montako, yeah, Bim nation when I step out. Nobody think gonna be this and black out. Bim, man and a boy there can go. Hey, the people of Bim nation. Think we have vaccination. What are the vaccination? Them fin way nation. When they want to again. University men everything I mean this business. Lava want to again. The food who you know where fit me na kiss me tell them. And the minute me a refer. Only Bim nation this safer. One game. Hey.
Ato,
Boss.
from your own gumption, your own perception, angle of life. So how do you assess yourself concerning this rape charge? Who say they are told so here and there? One can say, say no, what people here.
Boss, I have said this. And I'll continue saying this. I am innocent about everything. Yes, I admit that I slept with her. But I didn't force myself on her. We had a mutual understanding, a mutual agreement. I didn't rape her.
So how come say Osi will rape her? That is where the problem is.
And that is where I am also confused. Me didn't hear or this are charging better me so.
To win maybe. We are sophisticated criminal. Yes. Me ba krano unya na odi ube repu no. I am telling you, where life is the act of drawing without an eraser. Ti me won say wo ye erase ukra enye ye. Yes. We are criminal. Me ba kro nya na obefa no.
Boss, you are not here for this.
No, I want to put
and you are not here to fight with him. Please, that is why we allow you to come here.
No. Let me put him into.
So kindly calm down.
The right corner.
No.
Papa, I'm telling you.
It's not time for you to do this.
I won't come crying free. Tell the truth, and the truth shall set you free.
Now, what do you want him to say again? So just calm down for him.
No. I know what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
What? No.
Boss.
Don't boss me.
Boss, from the deepest part of my heart, I'm telling you the truth. Before God and man, I am not lying.
It is never true. I tell you the lies, you tell me the truth. Answer, yes, sir. Officer,
no,
I'm done with you.
Okay. Just sit down.
Boss, just sit down. No.
Just sit down.
Boss.
Sit down. Just sit down for me. I will talk to you. Just sit down. Just sit down.
And I will not be bad. No. I don't think again we so cool so we catch us
but you know we have individual differences.
That is your only hair.
No, just sit down. Sit down. Everything will be fine. Just sit down.
Think.
Boss.
Are you done with it?
Yes.
Okay.
Boss,
calm down.
Boss.
You are not here for this.
Boss,
you understand?
I'm innocent.
So calm down for him.
You promised to get a lawyer for me so that we can appeal this case.
I have resigned my decision. Yes.
Boss.
Yes.
Calm down.
No.
Boss.
No, it's okay.
Can you listen to the side of the story? Okay, just calm down. Sit down. Everything will be fine.
How can everything be fine?
See, I'm going to be quiet. Right? I mean, can't tell. At prisons, you're prisons. So trims are high just for all of us in Tino. Oh, by noon saying, I shall have about Quintino. Me a black coat, I'm telling you. I'm a black coat in prison. And I don't know who is around your cell leader. And I walk a first number ban. Oh, no, when I say, who create problems? Am I? Who can it be?
Become in my dear, I don't know.
I don't go to Potuma. Huh? You're not going to Potuma officer. Well, I'm not sure someone want it. Please, and you will. Yes, more farmer dear. We are bad. We are bad before they are with you. So, when we are here.
Oh, champ,
do we, you know, say no. yawie ha nti say washroom toilet and bath no nyina ahye nsa wo betwi na wo wie say drop the next one what's that go twi ti so for pa ato challenge sell the katana say wo try to own ya church ya ba priest ya na wo ba mani nyina no nya na say say onimyansa me de ayi prayer tu di be jam wani suma som asema kwa wo betra prison ya be ye ho ba e ma asem say e na mo fa ma de na kwa ba na aduani kwa no he ne anyi bi ani wem kwa wem
odi kuko dada prison officer na omo
my friend enter
take the water copy power to
unya kumanya no be kase na mudi ma de na report to ye ontwinwe no awu se eso na wu no obi nkan so report to ye bi na se ma ma ya de utwi ya no ya waka ne bi o sese unfie no wa chenti na unya hu bro me nipa na na
ale mi fi kwa chenti de
say da bi say service a wutwa na no say emu wa yeso tirim se unya nko fi
ya men ka me ya
we wicked o se dai
suesi no
unpie no ano a why
are na yi tapa fo mo adeza
are mi ko frita para be ya o de tapa ta ke mi sa
se o se
tapa fo te se chire o mo te se ha o ge tapa no o ya o nya asemo oni abre o tapa no o ya o nya case o
se mi o ma bebre pa
okay o de o nsa hwe o asa o da mu fo enti no
ai kokroni ni mo alati awe na adwuma no ma ya wie
aban ni ko ka kokroni mo
kokroni ni mo na mo yeku ana
atia wan
na se mo gina wo moda na wana ade
officer na de nti ya opizi ni ngomo
ye ni esu don kakra
se bia bokọ de
nyame ado
na aduane no mo che mo nkwaji bi
jabi
officer ye ni ya primanfo ena ye bibi ntra
we o jawo no mo
officer nya nudwa na se ya aduane ye nkwaji bi
ye me ko why nti se bia bokọ na wo pam me ana
na member mo da ade ye no yi afa opizi ya
ala sa ye da utimi yi wani mafia nipa
me mafia o se adwuma no
ade na wo de bia ofe na
guy be a man no area square friend alatiawe almost a pa woni dia say
you did that what's the name of it bro
dragon e rapu
I said dragon
o sa bro woni so a ahwe nyina be fa na bro hey ato wa wie aso uchu be trawes o ma hom pan yan sa nya bio e hom pan e mi o na bia na wa ba mi wa
na se fifrente wa boa fifrente o ma fifrente o
ya ga o fifrente ya no obi
sister na ko mo lo yeso ko sise
ato lawyer ne de nya bi na mo ya kan ho sika na mo body baby ha me kwa kufa se sika no adi amomo mba be gina mama nim se ye shebro se ye nkrabio se ye fie nipo minim ti ma me ko opanyin no hompo ekopa ne chew se se no omwa me na bitumi yi wo fie ha na sika na lawyer se ne body no tumi minim baby a me kwa kupa sika na to say chena be chen so enka wo yakopon be hye no ho anyonyam ti mesro me ni are ho a cho bebre
ti be ka se ya
honka atonka ai na minti wonka Kwan bia so me fa so a. Be yi wa free ka bia. Me fa so what? Slow.
Me ba cho wo ya na. We dey answer me how an answer me more pressure. Say visitors ni bi wa want to mo person ko me hwe o mo grofo. And then so me dey ejuma wa ha, ti sere wa why. Ti no mundi ni tintiem na. Biso ti me bread.
Auntie.
You say what I say?
Hello, madam. Maybe I will go there. It's soon dear, madam.
It's soon dear. Why?
Maybe better say 4 years or 5 years. Officer always maybe soon be a theater. It's only be a man.
Say, Muhammad say.
And you know, Bassana was see on the Browson. As I remember, to be free. Only what you know, pursues that.
And I was who chasing me. And you come over.
Sister, in the case, no, more yen, come and say.
Now, one now be beside the case.
I said,
what can we say, Mary?
Okay.
Who cares are the buy? What can you know?
Into no, didn't you what say? May honey say, well, yeah, if you are pointing number. Into you, son of Panso, and it's animal.
Who know beside of Panso?
I didn't know me. Oh, you're a musician.
And I will hear the crowd to
Monagazano, me who Musubai and Neya with the Wufia.
What I say?
But a conversation, Casanas only a Casajas in the other, a Casacran away.
Yenny publicity.
Send us to see you on your media. Nipa no free abontina ba ye busan se o the case na kosi say e be nya asem bia o say
overall boss wa ha
me nyo over but me me ba ha che ma woman oni pe ye fence me ni se onu yo say
Emilia
oba ye ni anya so ni mo
ade
so hotel sun tin sa na be frɛ no
using hard what how they buy or no so how they buy munyai amcho
me am tie de mini how mo as me metia no se me kofio mi nkofio mi no
aba ni time
enye masem time
na me say eya kaseche Emilia because
edin me Emilia ada na moya ne sa ni din ye Emilia me pa mo cho
osunu do enu nti afi Emilia nse Emilia bro be na na sumu sini
se won mo twasini we so
as we in real life
we Emilia ya yanko na
ato kuma mi ana
nige
unu ya adno ku repu bi madam say money say unu ya na at least sometimes so chene trance busan dey hand because say ni ositu a ohwe ni ma so ntim kra na obanda na otime ko repu bi am ya chew
na do ba
o say
na do ba
be me kromfo
denti na ko wia obi
me de ya die
sanya kopon ama onsa mienu nan mienu se fa bo bra denti na ko
ya die wo me dua me jai say de kra ni
ono de ne ye sign twato so enye ne na yi no
na be o say o bra ne ka bia o kama e o say judge no judge no say be
onim yansa
me pa chawo islam
straight
ada amansa no mo ti ana na mo ti
obi an say awo ye nyina say e boa kwan obafa so
e ana say dem di kaka ye no e bre na so
na dia mo che
we mu dia mesre why
mama wo se obi man ba
efino
so bia
say na o dey obi abo asum da if I tell say na the brain 100 cedis ato 100 cedis
ensin nto ato meboa
ato the to reception it no anytime be on here skabia no dey bra why you be ma
say na mo ye nana
ayeni
say no mo ye wana
sa no so
sa no ye nyina say abusuya me pedi aye no ato nse onua panyi wa aya adwene se bema tawo me pedi oye na no ye sa de na unya free nti o so mu na ye de o 20 to ye nso mu obi so mu sa na
so we yo
Say ya mo ye mi nua na.
Enye sa no.
Nyɛ saa.
Enipa nim hwehwɛ ni mu, enye sa no.
Ayo do in.
Wo kwa wo be di boni bia ni. Why? Ti kon akoma to yɛ.
Na, fence wo ko ti position.
Apena ye ni ntina. Ko musa atoto ma no. E be sam say e ni si. Na me dem chire mu say oba no menen ampa menen ne die. But na nye rape. Because man shano man force no.
Na say wo ko kan no court o.
Say dey see here say meka.
Ato ni prison ya obeche pa o.
Meche say.
Na wana ka say court ye kan no court. Ha? Na ko no ntwantro nkyere on kan kyere judge ni say wo de woni mu ohwe na ye ntwanto so keke ne atwato so. Isi o kasa woni na dai. Se gene sa judge nya gitum se woni na da ampa ye gene ka bia no kure.
Say ni de me gitum se me na da but man force no man.
No court no hu ni sa o. Case wo ho se wa repu no. To onya repu no so nko anu asa ajetu so na da no kwade automatically wo na da.
No, jam no go bisa se woni na ne she the was. O ka say.
Sure.
Ka bisa se woni ni ko che the.
Ato ene to adwemu na ha ne wumfiri anko ne wumfiri anko kira ho. O ko kan no court na court won ka say kan no court. Ha? Uko duru na kontom bata de judge be ka kira bia no kura pa say nya no kura.
Na ka pese mechanic.
Ato keti ka bibi. Chirem se nya wa. Na ti say o aja tun so na da no. Court is o pese court ye dey ma.
Some men na da but men we puno. E na pese me make.
Na court o pese court ti ase. Na nu say court ye camera na emum ye nka de wu nim. Ha?
Na say mra, say man obi a man hye wo de say nyewe.
Okay. All right. Man say ne ye say ne ye wo nim kwa be so ye fence e yi hu afiri sa case ni.
Ewi ase wo. Si wo bi so wo ya ma wo akwa ahun kira wo.
Ahun kire wo.
O so hwe so no so be ko ahun kire ni mu ebi. Ati ase. Sisi na onu e twantro ato. O so gu Samaritan. O ye ne fe. Kan no kwesa oba no sister 22 years me boy
I told you no crap in prison anyway beche
aja
jantro siantro I don't intro cha
wa we he say
I wouldn't intro cha
I say no credit o kan na ka o hato
and so go nebu na fu
fa trawo na ye me kan kana mo hato me better wonim da ho so no na case kiti we no na wa tena ko 50 years woni ma for case o me de tie obi o di bim totally now so na sama we hu kan o ko 20 no ya jeli no
we dey na e clear
maybe they say we can through here the better
capture
because camera wo
me dey say na e clear so me say me dem see the musician capture we ni dreams nyina achiagu ni da su nyina achiagu no see
to the other found to me me to me ni vision bia ni feature bia ba bia the feature na me team no
ato ti wani ti nan kwa no wada na sa no hey boy hey where's your phone o phone way yeah seen this one for us returning the point
what's your friend
Cindy, how many missed calls?
10.
Friend back here. You mean the kid na be do what dia friend? Wa friend no how many na me de me person be ha me friend no.
Since you my friend back. Me. Mo guys me Jimmy on. Mo guys me Jimmy.
No abuna no adara.
No fa more there anymore. My guys say since my friend.
Jajo ye.
Mama.
Oh, Jaisa.
Oh, friend pan now. It's one friend. Hey, aku Jajo ye no. Okay. Jaisa.
Yeah. Life no be play. One drink, one smile, everything change, yeah. Better for office, Monday to Friday. Same day, same joke, small I play. After work, chilling music, low. Laughter loud, but my heart don't know. She say you're nice, she say you're cool. I read the signs, I break the rules. One night turn to heavy talk, next thing silent, blue lights.